Hello students. Today, we will explore the different views of 3D shapes. Look at your textbook from the top and then from the side. It looks different both ways. From the top, it looks like a rectangle, and from the side, it looks like a line. Objects can be seen from different angles: top view, front view, and side view. The same object looks different depending on the view. Monu, Bholu, and Rani are asked to draw a brick. Monu looks at it from the front, Bholu from the top, and Rani from the side. Here is how they draw the brick. The top view, Bholu's drawing, shows the shape from above. The front view, Mini's drawing, shows the face from the front, and the side view, Rani's drawing, shows the side of the object. So, a 3D shape can be viewed from the top, from the side, and from the front, and these views can be combined to visualize what the solid looks like. Different objects can be recognized by their views. For example, a tree looks like a circle from the top and a triangle from the front. Have you ever had any difficulty in finding objects? A grid is a table made of rows and columns. It helps us show the position of objects clearly. Each square in the grid has its own place using rows, which go left to right, and columns, which go up and down. We can use grids to give clues, draw objects, and find positions, just like in a game. For example, the apple can be said to be located at the box where row 3 and column 5 intersect. So it is at row 3, column 5. A site map provides a visual layout of a place, such as a school, showcasing various areas like classrooms, a stage, and a kitchen. These paths can differ in length, with some being shorter and more direct than others. Directions are given using terms like left, right, up, or down to help someone find their way. To summarize, we learnt about how objects look different from different views, grids, and how they make finding things easier, and site maps. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures, and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on EduRev to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all, you also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 4. Thank you.